Hello everyone, on this video I'm gonna share you about my experience at Science City, Punjab, Kapurthala, and it is also known as a Pushpa Gujarat Science City. This Science City stands as a prominent science center offering a plethora of exhibits spanning various scientific domains and encompassing physics, chemistry, biology, and space science. This expansive facility boasts interactive displays, including captivating features like colossal heart model and an engaging dinosaur pack. During a recent educational field trips organized by the School of Education at Lovely Professional University, I had the privilege of immersing myself in the enriching experience provided by the Science City. It is served as a virtual classroom facilitating a deeper understanding of scientific concepts through experiential learning. The sprawling and immaculate surroundings further enhance the learning ambience. Additionally, the availability of boating facilities added a recreational dimension to the visit. The dinosaur park replayed the diverse species offer a fascinating glimpse into a prehistoric life forms, while the space theme exhibits spark curiosity about the cosmos. Such interactive and diverse learning opportunities not only supplement classroom education but also foster a lasting passion for science among students. And inside this Science City, the surrounding is very big and it is very clean. It's very nice. Children also, they can come, they can play there.